And the only thing I got running, now I'm live, had to go to a whole new uh, search engine on a different computer because they tracking my IP address. I'm running 3 laptops. What kind of shit is that? Just so I could teach, yo. All right, let me start the Facebook as well. Because you know it's going to start some bull. I just don't trust these people. And then they just tried to shut me down. Whatever. I know how to get around this system. I'm smart. All right, peace to Yahoo, peace to Yahoo. How everyone doing tonight? I hope everyone doing wonderful, magnificent, and great. I know I am. Cheers. So it came to my attention, damn, that a lot of people don't understand what's going on with these courts. I read that letter where Trump is allowed to fire any administration judge, right? And then I read to you all constitutional court cases where they can't violate the Constitution, and you can get them in trouble and get the DOJ to go after them for not following the Constitution. So I noticed I did not break down administration law, and what all that is. So if you were to Google administrative law and look into WEX, Cornell Law School, WEX, right? It says administrative law is the branch of law governing the creation and operation of administrative agencies. The powers granted to administrative agencies are particularly important, along with substantive rules that such agencies make, and the legal relationship between agencies and other government bodies and the public at large. Now, all of that been suspended because of the Chevron difference, a Supreme Court case that said, yo, administrative law in courts cannot make rules, cannot make any of that things. All of that is unconstitutional, right? So it says overview. Administrative law encompasses laws and legal principles governing the administration and regulation of government agencies. Both federal and state agencies are delegated power by Congress, or in the case of state agency, the state legislature, to take on responsibility for carrying out certain prerogatives from Congress. Agencies are created through their own organic statutes, which establishes new laws I want to get to. I'm going to now go into a definition of administration definition. Administrative definition and meaning of or relating to the administration or administration. That didn't tell you nothing. relating to the management of company, school, or other organization. Like I said, it didn't say nothing. It says relating to work or managing or organizing a business or business activity. See, administration and administrative people in courts and agencies is only for the corporation. But let's go on. Okay, then we're going to look up administration government. The term administration, as used in the context of government, differs according to the jurisdiction which it operates. We in Wikipedia now. Hold on. There's many other definitions, but I'm just there. Refers to managerial functions in general, which may include local governments or the hierarchy of national and local government that applies to a town district. More specifically, it refers to public administration business of administering public policy as determined by government. However, outside of France and Romania, the usage of the word is uncommon. See, so when you're dealing with administration, you're talking about 4 square miles, Washington, D.C. All those laws only apply to Washington, D.C. It's not supposed to apply to you and me in our private capacity, right? So you got, when you go to the court, Fulton County Court in Georgia, right? And you got a court case, a traffic case, or any of those cases there. Do you know those are administrative judges that's hearing the case? You're in Washington, D.C. when you're sitting in front of them. They work for Congress. They do not work for the branch of judiciary. So this is why Trump put out that initiative that he's going to fire those administrative judges.